Hey there, when I had my first child placed in my home from foster care, I realized within the first 20 minutes that I was not ready. I was so not prepared for dealing with the trauma that was coming into my home. Sure, I went through the training. I went through 6 months of rigorous training, and it taught me a lot, but it did not truly prepare me. Years later, when I was working on my doctorate for foster parenting, I remembered, hey, there's no book out there for foster parents. So I wrote the Foster Parenting Manual, a practical guide to creating a loving, safe, and stable home. This book, I went back and I asked myself, what did I wish I learned when I first started fostering? And what do I need to know now, 13 years later, as a grizzled foster parent? What do I still need to know? In this book, I tackle every topic you can imagine related to foster parenting, from before the child comes to your home, preparing your house, preparing your family, preparing your biological child, to the first few days and the first few weeks of the child placed in your home, to the rules and expectations that you might expect from your child, working with birth parents, working with social workers, working with teachers, the trauma that children might face, the dangers that your child and your family might face as well, the child leaving your home, the grief and loss that you may face as a foster parent, and even adoption, and so much more. The Foster Parenting Manual is certainly, by all means, a book that every foster parent and every social worker should have on their shelf. The Foster Parenting Manual, a practical guide to creating a loving, safe, and stable home.